Hey folks, quick video for you to show off the new knife set my wife and I purchased. This is the PAUDIN knife set, and it includes pretty much every knife that you are going to need when cooking or for general kitchen use. The smaller utility and paring knives are both very useful when it comes to slicing fruit and vegetables such as tomatoes, grapes, cherries, etc. The serrated edge on the 8-inch bread knife we find does provide a nice clean cut. And then we have those larger 8-inch knives, which are just perfect for the tougher jobs such as red meat and harder vegetables. The blades are made of a stainless steel, which I have to say is very durable, and they do come out of the box very sharp and ready to go. And the handles are made of packer wood, which is much less likely to split over time. Now, packer wood is not a true natural wood product because it is human engineered. However, it is the material that is commonly used in designing handles for premium kitchen knives. Also, not only are these knives very functional, but the overall look and design is very pleasing. One thing to be aware of, as with most decent kitchen knives, these are not dishwasher safe. Now, my wife and I, and I'm sure she won't mind me saying this, we're not really the best cooks in the world, okay? However, since we've had these knives, they have brought a little bit of joy back into cooking and into the kitchen. And thank you for watching our video.